Have you ever thought that financial freedom is just one brilliant idea away? That you could quit your 9-to-5 job and begin living life on your terms if you could only get your hands on the ideal digital product? Well, my friend, you already have the ability to regain control over your time and finances. WordPress makes creating and selling digital things online incredibly simple for anyone. You may launch your own successful internet store in a matter of minutes. No technological expertise is necessary. Keep watching and I'll walk you through the process of using WordPress to monetize your knowledge. You'll learn how to develop stunning digital items quickly and easily, how to market them, and how to turn your first sale into a recurring revenue stream. Everything you require, even if you are not a programmer or designer, to turn your idea into money. This could be the pivotal moment that grants you your independence back. The first step to setting yourself up for long-term success and working when and how you choose. Are you prepared to realize your own potential for financial gain? Keep monitoring since it might alter both your life and your income. An updated script with some illustrations of digital goods you can market on WordPress is provided below. Feel like you're stuck in a time for money hamster wheel? What if you could instead profit from your passion or area of expertise? And WordPress makes it simple for anyone to develop and sell digital goods online, so pay attention. I'm referring to anything, including eBooks, online courses, membership sites, video lessons, templates, plugins, and graphics. Keep watching, and I'll demonstrate how to use WordPress to monetize your knowledge. You'll learn how to set up a membership site with dripped-out courses, easily publish professional-looking ebooks, and even sell your own unique WordPress plugins and themes. Without any technological knowledge, you can quickly set up and maintain a successful online store. Everything you require to generate income from a concept automatically. From a digital novice to a Salesforce. Sell ebooks, online courses, memberships, video lessons, templates, plugins, and more to maximize your business potential. It is made simple with WordPress. Are you prepared to assume charge and begin making money? Then continue to watch to begin your path from concept to automated revenue, which may begin right now. An updated script with some suggestions for getting buyers to see digital products is provided below. Tired of exchanging your time for cash? Instead, consider generating revenue from your area of competence or love. WordPress enables you to produce and market digital goods that generate income for you automatically. I'm referring to anything, including ebooks, online courses, membership sites, video lessons, templates, plugins, and graphics. But acquiring clients is crucial. How to bring your goods in front of customers is as follows. Make your website SEO-friendly so that people may find you on Google. To find your perfect audience, run customized Facebook and Instagram advertisements. Create an email list, then use it to alert subscribers to new products. Work together with influencers in your niche to gain access to their audience. Join affiliate programs to get others to promote you. As you watch, I'll walk you through the process of using WordPress to develop high-value digital goods, draw clients, and generate passive revenue. You'll learn how to use your skill as a simple source of revenue. You have everything you require to turn an idea into cash in your pocket. Are you prepared to stop working a 9-to-5 job and begin living your life on your terms? Unlock your ability to profit right away. Here is a revised version of the script that describes how to turn the initial sale into a recurring revenue stream. Do you feel trapped on the 9-to-5 treadmill? What if you could use your passion or area of expertise to generate an automated income? WordPress enables you to produce and market digital goods that generate income for you automatically. But the secret is making that initial sale become a source of passive revenue. This is how to get repeat business. Offer membership websites with monthly fees. To keep people interested, drip feed your stuff. Sell licenses so that users can use plugins, templates, and other things you develop once for all time. Promote affiliate products to increase your chances of getting paid when people use your links to make purchases. Create an email list. Utilize autoresponders to inform subscribers about new deals and products. I'll share insider advice for maximizing customer lifetime value if you continue to watch. You'll discover how to develop recurring revenue sources that operate automatically on a month-to-month basis. Imagine waking up to fresh orders and sales each day without having to put in any more effort. Freedom to choose when and how to work. Are you prepared to stop working a 9-to-5 job and take charge of your finances? Unlock your ability to profit right away. Here is an updated script with suggestions for WordPress plugins and tools to aid in the sale of digital goods. Dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5 job and pursuing your passion for an automated income? The biggest game changer is using WordPress to sell digital goods. However, the correct tools can help you grow your internet business. I strongly suggest the following top plugins and tools. To build your online store and shopping cart, use WooCommerce. It's totally simple to use and free. To provide subscription access, use membership plugins like MemberPress or Paid Memberships Pro. For selling files like eBooks, courses, audio files, and videos, use Ed or Easy Digital Downloads. Use affiliate plugins like Affiliate WP to promote other items and get money. Plugins for email marketing like MailChimp can help convert subscribers into loyal customers. As you watch, I'll demonstrate how to use these best plugins to produce high-quality digital goods, draw customers, and increase revenues. Imagine waking up to fresh orders and sales that are occurring automatically. Are you prepared to stop working a 9-to-5 job and begin living your life on your terms? Using WordPress, you can now maximize your revenue. An updated script with pointers for effectively promoting digital goods on WordPress is provided below. Do you want for an end to the drudgery of the 9-to-5? That dream might become a reality if WordPress is used for digital product sales. However, increasing traffic and sales requires planning. Here are some tried and true strategies for promoting your digital goods. Make your website and product pages SEO-friendly to improve your search engine visibility. Target words that customers are looking for. Target your ideal audience with Facebook and Instagram ads. Visitors to your website can be retargeted. Create an email list and look after your subscribers. Utilize autoresponders to advertise fresh goods and deals. To reach their audiences, collaborate with, interview, or guest post with influencers in your niche. Include social media sharing icons so that clients may quickly tell their networks about you. Create blog entries with titles that are well positioned in search results and draw in organic visitors. To quickly grow your list, create lead magnets like free eBooks, cheat sheets, and tools. Watch this space as I share even more tried and true WordPress marketing strategies to boost sales of your digital goods. Today, unlock your profit potential. Here are some suggestions for integrations and payment gateways that are effective for using with WordPress to sell digital goods. The most widely used payment processor, PayPal, is compatible with most e-commerce plugins. Accepts payments made via PayPal and credit cards. Stripe. Stylish credit card processing and checkout. It has plugins for easy digital downloads and WooCommerce. SendOwl is an expert in sending and safeguarding digital goods. Incorporates well-known WordPress plugins. Simple payment processor and delivery service for digital items as Gumroad. Checkout forms that are embeddable. Accept international payments with 2Checkout. Supports subscriptions and recurring billing. Integrated membership and payment management for subscription sites is provided by MemberPress. Email marketing and automation platform ActiveCampaign for sales funnels and lead creation. Zapier. Automate processes by connecting your WordPress website to other apps. Reduce friction in your checkout process, automate post-purchase experiences, and sell and deliver digital products more effectively with the help of the proper gateway and integration combo. Watch the video to learn how to select and set up the best payment options for your WordPress online store. Take financial control and quit your job from 9 to 5.